may mo halae. Kasi ako Legoland na chatla Legoland na chat na ba tayari tore. Yung si ay chanupi na Legoland da hide lay do na ang si Legoland na chat siya na pwede decide na rin. So we are ready to go. Follow me.
So today we're going to Legoland, and I'm really excited because you're going to see all the Lego structures, which is all made out of Lego. I mean, think about it. How many days does it take to make it? I mean, it's so beautiful. So there will be rides and all, and with my own pocket money, I can get to buy Lego.
Ngasi sunong dia mange ado Yang asi mayam Legoland resort nung ibra na nung tabirak taba like ko na mini ay music ay jano pisu ka na lightning nung chubirak taba na because nung chu tar di enjoy to so ngamaroy aduna nung tabirak tabi storm lakpi tabi
See it, there's a good
Legoland. We are entering car parking Legoland. There is Legos over here.
Whoa, there's Lego there too. I love this. This brick week today. Brick week. So you gotta build a brick. Oh, there's people too. Look. So look.
Or in Tokyo, the number
Welcome. Whoa. Awesome. Welcome.
Parking is free, I guess.
Oh, that's even Lego times Lego. Awesome. Even that's Lego. Everything is Lego over here.
Now we are in Legoland. Masih Legoland se UK dani, Windsor dani. Pamse yam phadai hudik phawdi Lego myam na saba kino shops adagi makhoi gi service center ticket center guest center myam se le hudik it's Lego dinosaur. It's a dinosaur made of Lego. It's called Model Making Experience Brick Week. Okay, let's enter. I really wonder about this Legoland because it's a minute detailing which they have done it. It's all building everything, like on tank, or any soldier, about soldier. It's kind of small story, but it's minute detailing that they have built up with this Lego. It's really nice. Legos here, and she's go crazy about this. My daughter is making some building up something which is of Lego. Let's see how she does it. Sponsor play it. The sponsor say, "Go target Sincerely, no, they have no money." Oh my God! Now done. Come. ninja ride tunggu ngai ni yam so manung na changa ni manung na changa say let's go. There is an entrance ninja ride. It's big ninja ride kayone indoor ni yeng ase kamain tawge na kay gino da AC first time ni Legoland lakpa aduga siguma ride se tong ride se in night ka da amuk tong re adu da so yam kana high ride se to wa hi tawali na pang
Ride, you need a 3D glass and you're going to see things like a theater and you have to attack the things which the people say too.
Are you excited?
I'm really very excited for this one. It's going to be epic.
Yeah. Ninjago tongbo re ado si indoor gi kaino ni ride ni yam phajai yam nungai 3D ne so you should experience once. It works. Oh, aigi husband ga aigi daughter ga mukhoy ni ride tongani ai di tong re kok ngori tawre aduna mukhoy phamba hore hozik. There is a spider ride but I'm not going to do it because I'm feeling dizzy because of the other ride. Sidadi as mi myam se loine ma koi ba thonore angang sing gi suti oi ngi da koi ba na kemta nong ta ba ga kemta ki ba ngang gi ride ni ado hai di tong roi nasai tong mo da gi pra o ga toy aduna ma nungai ba gi oi na I chan pi nungai ba tong hal lagi ngang gi ngak ne ya mana ride se. Akhoi huzik haunted house gi thole nungai adum adusu manung da ki bidi ki de ka haunted house hai boni hotel guys, Lego hotel, but we have not booked here because first day was in Gulliver Land, so we have booked in hotel Holiday Inn in near the Gulliver. So next time surely we are coming back because this time because of the storm Dennis it's really like spoiling the mood. Legoland is quite important. This is the last question. You know, I am the new train. Lego na sama miniature. It's mini city. Oh my god, bus is also there. Lego bus, Lego house, all made of Lego. Beautifully done. It's really awesome. London gi Buckingham Palace tu ne.
Si mamsi Lego no sago ngakane. Yeah.
New York.
Kanodagi Legoland dagi nungai yam phajana nungai ke habdi yade kaigino habda angang na enjoy to do na adult singsu ahan singsu enjoy to yai masi mafam je worth coming here. I will be back again. We will be back again in summer because then is storm and little windy and rain spoiled a little bit because there are a lot of rides which was closed. So the thing which I really liked about Legoland is it's the building, the way they have built up, minutely done, and it's really crisp. After 3. Now we are out from Legoland. Yeah, we really enjoyed. Though it was raining, windy, stormy, we enjoyed a lot. But we will surely come back again. Legoland. We'll see you again.